Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the flower initial wallpaper TikTok trend. So in here, what you need to do is open your TikTok and let's search for the flower language or initial effect first. So just type in flower language filter, this one, and this will show up. Now you can just select this one right here, click on this camera recording icon, then here you can just tap the screen. Okay, I'm gonna just go with photo, I think. So tap the screen and here just type in the name. So for example, I'm going to write Zane like this, click on OK. Now select the ribbon to decorate the flower. I'm going to choose this one, click on OK again, and this is the result. But if you want to change the background, so currently it's black, you can just click on the photo and it will be changed like this. You can choose the color that you want. I'm going to just use this purple color, for example. Here you can also adjust the ratio like this. Okay, now you can click on pause, and after that here you can click on edit and play. You can play the video here and just screenshot it to save it to your gallery like this and open it in your gallery. Okay, and to make it as your wallpaper, just click on more and click on set as wallpaper. You can also just crop it. If you don't want to show the name, just crop it like this. Now click on the check icon and that's it. Your wallpaper will be set just like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.